Hi, this is Walid Abu Ali. I'm going to show you my new tool for 3ds Max, which is Vehicle Rigger, which is a tool for rigging automatically any type of vehicle that has wheels. Now, I will start by showing you how to install the tool for people who don't know how to install microscripts in 3ds Max. You go to Max Script, Run Script, choose Vehicle Rigger 1.0.mcr, double click. Now go to Customize, then Customize User Interface, then go to Toolbars. Make sure you are in Toolbars. By default will be on keyboard. This will not load the script for you. Go to Toolbars. There are a lot of categories here. You see a lot of categories. Choose Walid, which is my category. Go to Script, Vehicle Rigger 1.0, drag drop to any place in your toolbar. Now, before start using my script, there are some things must be in your mesh. The first thing, the direction. The direction must be to one of the axes, which means in x-axis or y-axis, negative x or negative y. For example, this one is goes to negative y. It's okay. If I rotate by 90, now it's positive x. This is acceptable. Positive y, negative x, negative y. All of these directions are acceptable, but you can't put your mesh in something like this between x and y. For some technical issues, you will have problems in the rigging systems. And the other thing is your vehicle parts must be the body. You see here I have body and 4 wheels. It's 5 pieces only. It must be like this. If I have like more pieces, for example for the body, I must link all the additional pieces to the body, and also for the wheels I must select all the additional parts and link them to wheels. Now start by running my script, which is 4 buttons as you see. Now I will click on my 2 wheels, front wheels, get front wheels. You see for this I must be each wheel as one piece or linked because of selecting inside the script. Now rear wheels, get rear wheels. Now pick body. Now apply. You see it creates this dummies, which is my rigging system. Let's start by demonstrate each one of them. At first, if I click on them, you see the names. All of the names will start by the word Lancer. It's not from my script or something like I put in the script. I didn't want to put this word Lancer. Actually, it comes from your body name. For example, if your body name is like car, so this one will be car underscore vehicle control, and so on. Now, the vehicle control dummy, it moves all your car. Now, this is the called Lancer locator control. The locator control, try move left and right. You see it's for front wheels, and if I like move one locator, it will only turn one wheel, but this is not logical. Then I will show you this here called drift control. Try rotate this one. You see it acts like the car is doing drifts. And you see here there are 3 dummies in front wheels and 2 in back wheels. Actually 3 dummies in wheels here. The smaller one here, it's for position of the wheel, for to be linked to the body. Example, if I move this, you see this one is for direction, which is looking at these locators, and this one is for rotation, when the car is moving. And the rear, same thing. This is for rotation, this is for position, but we don't need locators here. Now click on vehicle control, go to modify. You'll see here a modifier called vehicle control. It has two spinners, all wheels and rear wheels. Change the value of all wheels something like 50. Now run the animation. You see the wheels are rotating, and the rotation is not keyframe based animation. It's animation based on some scripts, so it will not affect whatever you have keyframes in the scene. Now try turn this to 0. Now only the rear one. Okay, you see only the rear wheels are moving. This will be used when you're doing something like drifts or burnouts. You only need the rear wheels to move, because when someone is doing burnout in the car will be stopped, the front wheels are static and the rear wheels are turning fast. The higher value I put, you see the faster rotation I will have. If I put values for each one of them, so doing for front wheels will not be affected, but for rear wheels it will take the summation of these two values. In logic you will not need this. If you want all wheels moving, put rear wheels to 0. If you want all rear wheels, put all wheels to 0. Okay, now I will show you how to use this rigging in animation in a very easy way. Just create a spline. I create here a spline for the car. I will need to make the animation longer for speed of the car. Now I will go to select my vehicle control animation, path constraint, path constraint, click. You see the vehicle is aligned in the right way to the path. It's because the Z coordinate for pivot points of the vehicle control and the locator are taken the same value of the lowest Z coordinate in your wheel, which is the lowest point in your car. And this is what happens in logic, because the lowest part which is touching the ground must be the lowest vertex or point in your wheel. Now I will do same constraint for the locators. But I will move it here because this place, move it to the front little. Something in both of them I switch on follow and axis Y, make it flip. Same thing, follow. It depends on your direction. Maybe you don't need to flip, you don't need to change the axis, but you must enable this follow to make it turn with the path. Now if I run, you see the car here. You see how the front wheels are acting on each curve. They are acting in the right way. Now the wheels are static, they are not rotating. Just go here, put value like 50. You see they are rotating now. You can modify your speed. The highest speed I put is 300, something like this, and the lowest is minus 300. By the way, if I make minus, the rotation will be inverse, will be going backward. I put limitation from minus 300 to 300 just for like create logical animation, because I notice that values that are higher than these will be not logical. Because even the 300 is too fast wheel animation. There's no car can move this fast. Okay, now this is showed you how to rig the car and use it in realistic animation in a very simple way. And now I will show you how to rig something else in the script, which is this armored vehicle. Notice it has 8 wheels. Usually most of tools, they are limited to the shape, size, or number of wheels of the mesh you have, or the vehicle. In this tool you have more dynamic options, for example number of wheels. I will try doing this. Get front wheels. Now for rear wheels, here I have 6 wheels. Which one are the rear? Actually these are the rear wheels, but these two are also rear. But how I will select them? Rear wheels here in the scripts do two things. The first thing, it takes the distance between this one and the direction to know where is the front part and where is the back part of your vehicle, and depending on this it creates the dummies. So for this instance I must take the first wheel and the last wheel at the end. But also when I select here wheel, it applies some properties on it, like putting these dummies, link them to body for rotation issues and these things. So I need the 6, but for distances I need only these 2. So instead of doing like 2 buttons, 2 selections, make it more complicated, a simple way to do this is the sequence of selection. What I mean, select these 2 at the beginning, then continue your selection, and now click on get rear wheels, pick body, apply. You see you have the right rigging. If you choose for example these 2 wheels or these 2 wheels, maybe it will go right, but mostly it will go wrong because the distances will be wrong. So this script is not limited to number of wheels, and also it's not limited to size of your mesh, or you don't need to scale dummies or something like this, because it takes the size places of your mesh. You see here different sizes. This is armored vehicle, F1 car, another armored big truck, and the Lancer that we rigged. So you are not limited to number of wheels or size of the vehicle. Thank you for watching, and the script is for free. Anyone can download it from the link in the description under the video. And if you have any comments, suggestions for adding more options on this tool, just write them to me and I'll do my best to improve it in next versions. Thank you.